In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder to another folder in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a folder inside your Drive without losing anything inside it. First, log into Drive. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign into your Google account so you can access your files. This ensures Drive recognizes your storage and shows you the folders you're allowed to manage. Next, go to your Drive. You'll land on your main Drive view, sometimes called My Drive or simply Your Drive. This is where your personal folders and files live. Take a moment to find the folder you want to move. Remember, moving a folder moves everything inside it, so it's a good idea to double check you've selected the correct one. Also, you need to have the right permissions. If it's a shared folder and you don't have edit access, you might not be able to move it. Now right-click on the folder you want to move. On a mouse, that's a right-click. On a trackpad, it might be a two-finger click. A menu will appear with options for working with that folder. Hover over Organize. When you point your cursor over Organize in that menu, you'll see the organizational options for that folder. This is where Google Drive groups actions related to where a file or folder lives. Click on Move. This opens the Move window, which lets you choose the new location. Think of this as your map of Drive. You can browse through your existing folders to find the exact place where you want the folder to live. Look for the folder that you want it moved to. If you have a lot of folders, scroll through the list, expand any folders to see what's inside, and navigate until you find the destination. If you keep a structured layout, it helps to move the folder into the correct parent folder to maintain organization. If you're moving into a shared area, make sure that space is where you want collaborators to see it, since moving a folder can affect how others access it. Then click Move. Google Drive will process the change and place your folder into the new location. You'll see the folder appear in its new spot, and the contents will remain intact. That's it, your folder has been successfully relocated. To recap, log into Drive, go to your Drive, right-click the folder, hover over Organize, click Move, browse to the destination folder, and click Move. Thanks for watching, and keep your Drive tidy for faster, stress-free work.